Welcome to PerfectServe, healthcare's most intelligent solution for clinical communications. PerfectServe is your secure communication collaboration platform, providing the reliability, security, and convenience your busy life as a clinician demands, while helping you streamline communication-driven workflows. Available on both Android and iOS devices, the mobile app provides convenience while ensuring security. To download the PerfectServe application, open the app or Play Store and search for PerfectServe Practitioner. Once found, download and open the application. At first login, you may be asked to allow receipt of message notifications. If you are presented with this screen, click Allow. You may also be asked to allow PerfectServe to send critical alerts to your device. If you are presented with this screen, click Allow. Enter your PerfectServe or hospital-issued credentials. If using PerfectServe provided credentials, you will need to change your password when logging in for the first time. Follow all prompts to complete your account's security settings. You will then receive a prompt to enter your device's phone number. When finished, click Save and you will be directed to the PerfectServe application. Within the PerfectServe Practitioner application, you will see a menu of options available. To begin, let's look at messages. Here you can manage and respond to any number of clinical communications. The number of new messages you have received is indicated on the message icon. You will also see New indicated on the message, as well as bold text. To view, tap once on the message. After reviewing, you may type your reply and when finished, click Send. Once the message is sent, you will see a timestamp at the top indicating when the message was sent. At the bottom of the message, you will see its read status. To begin a new conversation, return to Messages and select the new message icon. Easily access your most frequently contacted clinical partners by scrolling the directory, using the A to Z index, or selecting one of your preset favorites or groups. Use All PerfectServe to search by zip code, or use the filter to search by specialty. You may also search for the recipient by name. After selecting the recipient, follow all applicable prompts. To include additional recipients, click the Add icon. Search for and select each additional recipient. When finished, click the up arrow to return to the message screen. When typing your message, you may tap the paperclip icon to take a photo or record a voice memo to include with your message. If you select to include an image, the phone's camera will activate for you to take a picture. Know that photos taken will not save to your camera roll and are stored on the secure PerfectServe platform to ensure HIPAA compliance. When finished, click Send. The read receipt is located at the bottom of the message bubble. Clicking on the number of read or unread messages will provide additional message tracking details. Select the back button to return to the message window, and select the back button again to return to the messages inbox. Select Directory to add a contact to your favorites list. Search for and select the contact. Then click the star icon to the left of their name to mark them as a favorite. Within Directory, you can also create a new group. To create a group, click Groups and select Add Group. Name the group and add group members by searching for and selecting each person. When finished, click Save. Select Phone to call any of your contacts securely, or use the keypad to dial the phone number of the patient you wish to reach. Know that your main office line will be presented to the party you called, so your privacy is protected. Based on your privileges, you can read or modify your group schedules by selecting Availability, then selecting On Call. You can sign on or off call, see who is covering, or change who is on call for you or your group. After selecting On Call, you will select the schedule you wish to view or modify. Personal is your personal schedule, and Group includes schedules for groups that you are a member of. After selecting the specific schedule, you can select any day to see who is providing coverage for that day. To make a change, click on the name listed at the bottom of the schedule. Once you click on the name, you have the option to select a different physician. The selected name will plug into the schedule and all changes take effect immediately. Based on your service level, workflow, and preferences, your contact processes are built into the application. Within Availability, select How I Am Reached to pick the process you want to activate. In this example, you have two options. DocLink is for physician-to-physician communication. Messages from nurses and other care team members will go through all others. Changing your contact process is similar to changing your on-call status, and if you make any changes to how you are reached, know that the changes are made in real time and take effect immediately. Status provides the option to quickly change your availability. In this example, you can change your status from available to in a procedure, and all communications will route to the appropriate practitioner that is now providing coverage. Patients is an add-on module your facility may elect to include. If you have this feature, you will be presented with one of two options. Selecting Contact Patient Care Team provides access to the patient's assigned care team. Search using the patient's name or room number. After selecting the patient, all assigned care team members will display. You can select the new message icon to initiate a new message. Select Assign Patients to view your patients and make assignment changes. To make an assignment change, search for and select the patient. Tap Assign and select the appropriate physician for reassignment. Then, confirm and verify the assignment change. Select the hamburger icon and click Get Help to easily access PerfectServe's 24/7 365 support center. Get Help directs you to the customer support page where you can submit a ticket, call the support center, or start a chat. To return to the mobile application, click PerfectServe in the upper left corner. These are just a few of the ways PerfectServe can help make your clinical workflows more efficient so you can focus on delivering care.